Alright, boys. Started this week off with a bang. Probably not gonna trade my Express since we're so close to blowing it. Just gonna be trading the eval this week because of the just news and everything like that. But today was a no news Monday, where I think it might have changed. Yeah. No red news though, so basically I thought we were gonna pump, but we came in and we sold off very, very hard. And when we sell off this hard, I feel like it's a continuous pattern of just selling off hard. I don't know. That's from what I've seen. Like, it doesn't barely retrace. So when it retraced into this 1 minute and reject off heavy, I entered and basically got like a no drawdown trade. And I wrote it down to this 1 hour fair value gap. I felt like this was a pretty good target, because this is where we might see price just retrace. Let's see if we're talking about this range. It might hit equilibrium on that hourly and take off. But when we sold off that hard, that was obvious to me that we wanted to come down to this hourly fair value gap and at least fill it. So we made about $390. I did up my size a little bit. I traded 5 micros, but I got out of 2 of them pretty early. I think I sold off 2 right here, and I left 3 for here. But yeah, honestly, great way to start the week. I told you guys were getting a week in the life over the weekend, but I was just so busy with work. I worked the entire weekend, and I didn't get a chance to sit down and edit it because yesterday I worked all day, and then night, of course, I spent with my mom. That was when I was supposed to sit down and edit. So hopefully tonight, it's 6:45 a.m. my time. I think I'm gonna start working on that. I am pretty tired. Maybe I might sleep a little more, but I can promise you guys that it's either coming today or tomorrow. I work in the morning tomorrow, but it should be tonight as long as it's not too much editing. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's gonna be a shorter one, and then I'm gonna go post on TikTok. If you guys can please go follow my TikTok, I want to grow that. I think growing that is gonna be a lot easier than this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, we're at 112 subscribers. I didn't think I'd get 100 so quick, but gonna continue to stay consistent for you guys. It's gonna get a little weird soon. I'll be on vacation and I'll be in Florida for like a couple weeks, so I'm gonna figure out what I could do. My laptop that I have isn't an Apple, and I tried to make a vlog for you guys over spring break, but my computer just couldn't handle the editing, and I already deleted the film that I transferred onto it, so I lost all of that basically because it couldn't handle editing. So who knows, maybe we'll get a payout in 2 weeks and I'll go buy myself a MacBook. Then I can edit for you guys while I'm gone, but you'll for sure be getting trade recaps, and I might just have to do one big vlog for you guys, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, I hope you guys have the rest of your day, a good rest of your day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow.